The fan's not working. I'm dying here.
It's so boiling. Mom, can we put on the aircon just this once? Air conditioner use too much electricity. Too expensive. But Mom, we're not even poor. We can afford. You're so rich, so you can afford to move out, As you were?
I can't think with all this heat. Does anyone want a bag of frozen peas from the freezer?
Stop it. You almost got frostbite last time.
And it felt like heaven, it did.
Aiya, you children don't understand. To be successful, you must be poor. Mom, this isn't success. This is child abuse. If the police found out, you would get arrested. Try it. Falling in line. Look, it's not so bad. Look at your daddy. He is so unmisery. He's so happy. Something you should aspire to.
Mom, why don't we drive out to the shopping mall? It's really cool there.
Yeah, Mom, it's air conditioned.
Parking is for free for 3 hours.
Free?
Free for 3.
Come on. Daddy, get the car keys.
Done deal.